Hello guys, welcome.
My name is Georgina.
Yeah, this is my child, Sebastian. Is very active boy. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep you informed with what we do with the game. So, yeah, I did some more modification to the game, and every day we come with something new. I mean, we learn something new and we try to apply in this game. Can you have one? You want to try the game? No, not this time. Next time. Next time when I'm gonna do more levels. Yeah. So I just try to find some titles like to make the ground where we play, but I just delete, make another one, find something better, and so on. And for the first level, we came with this ground. Like I say, it's everything is work in progress. Like you see, this is a tree. It's a little blurry because it was very small, and I couldn't find something that is very appropriate, very close to the color I used to the ground. So yep, I changed the coins. Like you see, the coins are no more. So the cat likes to play with these things. So I said, let's integrate them in the game. At the moment, I just work at the background, the you know, to be the graphics to be very nice, to be pleasant. I mean, and yeah, I try not to give up. I'm doing the graphics, and Julian, my friend, just doing the coding. I don't have time for the coding, so yeah, it's better, you know, if you work with your friends to make like a small community, 2, 3, 4 people, but each one of them to do something, like one of them to do the sound. I don't have time to work to the sound. I mean, I invest like 1 or 2 hours a day for this game, so I don't have much time. Need to make money, you know, to survive and everything else. But yeah, if you watch this game, it start to have a shape. So if you're watching the first episode, it was so ugly, everything, but you know, you just work, and if you see something nice out there, just try to integrate in your game. And like you see, it's pretty nice, but I need more stuff to make it to look more nice. Yes. Can you watch? No. Okay, so that was the first level. We think to do this like a story, because all the games they have a story. So because this is a cat, we start the first level outside the house. Next levels they're gonna be inside the house, inside the kitchen, inside the bathroom, on the top of the house. You know what I mean, you know, the cat chasing the mouse everywhere. Yeah, it's gonna be funny, everything. But you know, to find all this graphics with things inside the house, and try to. Ah, it's not here. I didn't put in this level. I didn't put the mouse in this level, so yeah. We have 2 enemies, like I said. But at the moment I just work at the first level. Oh,
Two,
oh no, I died!
yay! My turn.
Julius is trying to do coding for the cat to not die from the first touch, like he's now. See, you touch the enemy is dying. So he's trying to make a code for the cat not to die from the first touch, and he succeeded in a way, but we need, to put like 3 hearts somewhere on the screen,
Doctor.
and when he's touched it, one of the hearts to disappear. If he's touched twice the same, he stays with 1 heart. And yeah, it's very annoying, if this guy dies from the first touch. Oh yeah, look, we have the second enemy in the 3rd level. Or 4th, I don't remember.
Oh, we have the smoky one.
It's just the same mouse, it's a little bit of more graphics, but yeah. Yeah, so this is the end of the last level. I didn't build anything. Yeah. Oh, I died the same. Yeah. So pretty much this is it. If you want to see more about the develop of this game, just subscribe and watch us for more episodes. Alright. Bye.